5 more holiday text marketing secrets for retailers. Hi, I'm Cassie at Easy Texting. The holidays are here and you want to reach more customers. Enter text marketing, an affordable solution with unbeatable engagement that other marketing channels just can't touch. If you haven't watched our first video, 5 holiday text marketing best practices for retailers, be sure to incorporate those tips into your texting strategies. Now, here are 5 more secrets to creating an incredible retail holiday text strategy for you to unwrap. 1. Pre-build customer segments. Use text marketing to pre-build customer segments for well-targeted lists. For example, learn your customers' interests with sample text polling to prep your strategy and better target your holiday texts. 2. Improve customer service with two-way texting. Receive and answer customer questions in a convenient and conversational way with two-way texting. Quickly handle queries about stock, holiday hours, safety procedures, and delivery and pickup options from the convenience of your phone. 3. Make life easier for your customers. Create offers that feature time-saving activities like free gift wrapping with purchase. These offers make your company stick in your customers' minds as one that saves them time and effort. 4. Create a holiday hub. If you're sending customers online to make a purchase, make it easy for them by creating a holiday landing page or hub with suggested last-minute gifts, and keep it up to date with items that are quick to ship and not out of stock. 5. Move to MMS. Take a photo of one of your most popular gift items this season and message it in an MMS to your customers along with a limited time discount. Since the vast majority of text messages are read within 3 minutes of receipt, this gives your readers an incentive to look, get hooked, and buy now. Be sure to subscribe for more text marketing tips and have a happy holiday. Thanks for watching.